One, go.
Yeah, you didn't say go.
You crew went straight to my back, didn't he?
Yep, and then I got launched up.
Massive.
Perhaps this time you'll change the outcome.
That was very good. 50.
Late dunk. Such.
Yeah. Well, it could have been a faster dunk.
Yeah, I'm doing 5 lights and then a heavy now.
Okay.
It does so much more damage. But that's because I have time to do
Go
it.
on right.
On right.
Middle.
Stolen.
Middle. Bottom left. Could you hear me saying middle?
No, we couldn't at all. Not
Are you sure?
Here, it was completely.
You should have left that close one.
I was thinking I was gonna
Top right.
solo. Crew pull.
Told.
Fuck, what the fuck? Okay, door.
It's fine. It's
How fine.
57.
I don't like that.
That's still like solidly paceable.
It's back dark.
Is it 49 or 48 is pace?
48 is their pace, but again, we have faster transitions. No heavy brick movement.
Question.
Oh,
Light.
there's
Light.
light.
That's some easy shit right there. Almost perfect
I'm
RNG.
getting right from boss.
Fire and I both got it. Sounds like you got one as well.
Yeah.
Light.
Light. I'm getting right from boss.
Oh shit, I almost banked on boss.
Got two. There were two of us on top of each other.
Light. I think we're good.
Yep. Well, no, after that one, we were good.
I have really low ammo though,
Getting
so.
right from boss.
I got two. Or three, I think, actually, because there was two spawn temperature again.
Light.
Light
Dude,
bombs.
this side on me, this side on me.
Side brick, we're going.
I got a heavy brick. Are we?
I don't have ammo.
Noted.
I have a ton of ammo.
Okay.
I got it. I got it myself.
Oh, solar empowerment.
Oh shit.
We keep going. Actually, just walk away from the boss, I'll solo this. Or throw a nade or something. Wow.
It's Payu.
Oh, Payu got it. Oh, that's... we'll see if they accept it. If it's run, we'll see.
Son. No! I disagree. I hope they let us.
We'll see.
I didn't help. I may
You
have
did.
killed some ads, but it wouldn't help.
No,
it wouldn't have helped to
doesn't-
the.
We'll see. Again, it first has to be record. And if it's not, if it is record and that's what rejects it, then rest in peace. Fuck.
We can just do it again.
Solstice is is the worst season, first event of the game. Change our mind.
No, but we have to get it before the end of the season.
Yeah, I know, but Solstice ends next week. Season ends in another 4 weeks. 3 weeks.
Solstice ends next week?
Next week. This season has a few more weeks after that.
Okay, is there like anything new about the Solstice armor this year?
No, it just has the same glows. It looks slightly different. Anyways, let the crew do his thing. And
okay, I
call
don't
it
care
through.
then. So it wouldn't matter if I got them. I wouldn't get anything cool.
No,
like
nothing.
no crazy god roll.
You get a ghost. There's a new
Get
shop.
ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Going.
So are we on pace?
Perhaps if we start this boss before 6:05, we're on pace. We are hitting
All
5:48
right.
right
Oh,
now.
Heisenberg, watch. This is how the flag thing works.
Crew, be ready. Make sure do all your switches now. Be ready to do all your switches. Be ready to go as soon as possible.
Flag.
It's on pace. That is literally exactly the same as
Okay.
boss.
Light, 2 lights, triple light.
Triple lights.
Triple hit.
Guys.
Damage will be slightly late because I don't think I can get my Ogre in time. It's more important for me to get the Warmind Stealth and show up to damage. I'll do my best, but...
Okay. Okay.
Oh, I hate it so much.
Yeah, we failed, didn't we?
No. It's a 38, maybe a 37, which is unfortunately maybe record. And that fucking... Oh,
No!
oh, I hate that so much.